Step 1. Set your camera to manual mode M. This allows full control over aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Step 2. Understand aperture. F-stop. A wider aperture, e.g. f/2.8, creates a shallow depth of field. Step 3. A smaller aperture, e.g. f/16, increases the depth of field, keeping more of the image in focus. Step 4. Adjust shutter speed. It controls motion blur. Faster speeds freeze action. Slower speeds blur motion. Step 5. ISO measures sensitivity to light. Low ISO, e.g. 100 for bright light. High ISO, e.g. 3200 for dark. Step 6. Use the light meter in your camera to determine the correct exposure settings. Step 7. Adjust aperture, shutter speed, and ISO until the meter reads 0 for correct exposure. Step 8. Experiment with different settings. Deliberately over or underexpose to achieve desired creative effects. Step 9. Adjust your white balance for accurate color rendition in different lighting conditions. Step 10. Review your photos. Analyze the settings used and how they impacted the final image.